Hello, I'm going to show you a DIY, do-it-yourself grass sweeper, right? Let's take a look. Okay, all I did is I picked up a 2x4, some angle bracket, okay, and some hardware. I cut the 2x4 the width of just a regular house welcome mat, about a 1/2 inch thick, and maybe 3/8. Rubber, it's kind of heavy, durable, just a welcome mat. I don't know, 18 bucks out of Home Depot. Some hardware is about 20 bucks or so. The wood, 2-3 bucks. I'm in and out of here for 30 bucks. And the OEM grass sweepers from some bigger companies, I don't know, 80 bucks all the way up to $200-300. And painted a 2x4 black so it looks nice to match the rug. Some hardware. This is 1/2 inch through bolt. Some washers there. My angle iron. I painted my angle iron with some metal, just regular Rust-Oleum wood metal paint. Let me show you underneath here. So I don't know if you can see. Got some through bolts. This is the 1/2 inch. Put a lock washer here, another washer. Did some washers to grab the mat really tight. I don't know if the wood breaks, 2-3 bucks, just cut another piece of 2x4, or maybe even think about metal. Tough part was I had to, I don't know if you could see, a router right in here. The bolts that hold on, it came with Gravely, came on the hitch, so I routed it out on the 2x4. Did you see that? Both sides. It's no big deal. And then this is a 5/8 through bolt. It came up through the other side, thinking I was going to have a hook or something to store it like that, but a couple bungee cords rolled right up, very nice bungee cord each side. I just didn't want to damage the mat because I'll be dragging it, probably rip up. So give it a shot, see how this works. Gonna cut the grass tomorrow, so we'll let you know. Okay, it's the next day. We're gonna try this grass sweeper I built, but had a deja vu on how to hold the sweeper up when I'm driving around so I don't drag it on cement. You can see when this is being driven around on cement, it's just going to wear, and something I don't want. So came up with an idea. I'm going to get 3/8 through eye bolts, put them at the end here. As you can see, put them right here, one on each side. Also prevent people from stepping at the end of the board. You can see right here, because the hitch area is over in here, so all the load bearings right in here. So if I put that eye bolt right here, it'll help prevent people from stepping on the end. And then I could take a bungee, just wrap it up and drive around. She ain't gonna drag on the cement and wear down. So I'll keep my $17 Home Depot welcome mat, the back of my brand new Gravely. Let's check it out in a little bit. Let me hook this up. We'll be back. Okay, just got the through bolts through. Still the 3/8 drill bit hole all the way on through the other side. Get these eye bolts soon. Check what I'm gonna do before I put it in. I didn't want to forget, is get a nice 1.5-inch washer at the end, and then washer at the on the back end side, lock nut, and then lock washer. I'm sorry, and then a nut. All right, got the eye bolts in. Little design change last minute. I took the washer out, if you could see it. I figure it'll be a better pinch point to hold the rug down right here. Plus I was running on a thread. I don't know if you could see it right there. So I had enough teeth to grab. Watch, my daughter's gonna be out here. She's gonna wanna cut the grass because she loves driving a brand new Gravely. It's a nice machine. But we're ready to cut. So let's see if my holder works for the sweeper, and let's see if the sweeper works. So again, give me a second. I'll wrap it up, do a quick spin, and let's check it out. All right, we'll fire it up. Away from the exhaust system so the bungee is not going to get hot. I'll spin the camera around. So it looks like my grass sweeper holder for $4 is doing a pretty good job. Okay, as I predicted, my daughter came out. Make sure the sweeper is looking good. Okay, here's where I put my bungees away from the exhaust, so we're good. So let's check it out. Right there. Nice, sweet. Looks like a really nice drag. We'll check it out once she comes closer. You can see the different layers. That came out really nice for about $30. As I said, my daughter will cut the grass, and she won't let me cut it. It's the fourth cut, and I put on the grass sweeper for about $30 altogether. Got myself a really nice looking lawn. You can see the lines right back here. Here she comes again. You know, bend the grass down really nice. Have a nice look. Got a nice lawn. Well, hopefully you liked my DIY grass sweeper. Really liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Move it on, show others, and maybe try it yourself.